The Safari and Harrier are based on the same vehicle platform, however the Safari offers a maximum capacity of 7 passengers with the Harrier offering a maximum capacity of 5. Both models are equipped with 6 airbags and ESC as standard. The Tata Safari and Tata Harrier achieved a top star rating for adult and child occupants, showing a stable structure and robust restraint system strategy which offered good protection in our tests. Both models showed full protection for child occupants in the dynamic tests. Both are fitted with ISOFIX anchorages and a passenger airbag disabling switch, making them very versatile for transporting child occupants. The Safari and Harrier also meet requirements of UN 127 and GTR 9 for pedestrian protection as standard. The models also comply with Global NCAP's ESC requirements, with seatbelt reminders in all seating positions and offer optional ADAS technologies. Alejandro Flores, Global NCAP Secretary General said, "Global NCAP congratulates Tata on the 5-star twin model rating for the Safari and Harrier. This very strong result, the top adult and child safety score in our testing to date, confirms the manufacturer's strong commitment to developing safer vehicles, which we warmly welcome and applaud." David Ward, president of the Towards Zero Foundation, said, "It is very satisfying to see Tata's continuing commitment to high levels of safety performance. The top scoring result for the Safari and Harrier demonstrates an encouraging safety trend that we are confident will continue across the Indian automotive industry as Global NCAP's testing transitions to the work of Bharat NCAP.